Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a floral arrangement for Christmas. So come on with me, guys. All right, so here I have this black vase, and believe it or not, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree along with these florals, guys. So it's okay to mix metals. So I got some picks in the silver, some picks in the gold. We're gonna see how this comes out because I have the perfect area for it. So let's get started. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, since I had all of my florals and picks and stuff inside of my bin, we have to go ahead and fluff those out. And then, of course, there's some tags that need to be cut off. Some of these poinsettias already had like the little pine cones on them and the greenery. So that makes it that much better when decorating a vase. Now, I've been trying to decorate little by little so that I can prepare for the home tour. So make sure and head on over to the community tab, guys, so that you can see all of the calendar of collaborations that are listed there for the month of December. And the thumbnails I'm putting out as the invitations return. So they'll be coming out little by little. Right, so I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and put this arrangement together. So I'll be back at the end of the video. So as you can see, I had this gold tone poinsettia clip, and I placed that right on top. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and just to kind of pep this up a little bit more, I went ahead and I tied a candy cane ribbon to the black vase. So I'm hoping that this makes it look a little bit more festive besides the florals. And let's head on over to the reveal, guys, because I am loving this vase. So I'm hoping that this gave you some inspiration. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.